Hi everybody, it's Leslie Benczik. We are in Markham Village at a beautiful new listing that is coming soon. And you know what? It's starting to rain. So this is actually a first, but it's a good thing my dad taught me when I was young to be prepared. So let's continue. Sorry, Joe, I don't have an umbrella for you. 134 Ramona Boulevard, Markham Village, gorgeous house. We'll be on the market in about a week and a half. Hope you get a chance to come out and see this amazing property. If you're in the market, I highly recommend it. So lots going on in the market, but let me start off with, first and foremost, hope you had an amazing long weekend. Hope it was fun. Hope it was safe. Hope you've been enjoying some of the great weather we're having, aside from a little bit of rain right now. It's been an awesome summer, so I hope you've been able to take advantage of that. Lots going on in the real estate market. The market is still moving to a more balanced state. Of course, we've seen a lot of things with interest rates, inflation, all kinds of things going on in the world. Things are starting to normalize. The market is definitely more positive. Seen some amazing things happening with the stock market. It is coming back. That is definitely helping. It's making people feel more positive. There's been more sales lately, so things are looking actually pretty good. Interest rates, unfortunately, they're still continuing to go up. We've had 4 rate increases this year. So the Bank of Canada, in their fight against inflation, will be looking at further rate increases through the course of the year. The next one is going to happen on September 7th, so we'll definitely be watching that. Let's talk a little bit about months of inventory, because right now one of the things that is important that is helping normalize the market is there is more listings, there's more inventory, which is very, very good for the market. It allows buyers to do financing properly, efficiently. It allows them to do a home inspection, should that be something they could negotiate into a contract. So inventory and listings are very important. They are the fuel of our business. As I've mentioned in the past, months of inventory is an important thing to track. So here's just a breakdown of it again. A seller's market is 0 to 4 months of inventory. A balanced market is 4 to 6 months of inventory, and a buyer's market is 6 months and above. So what's going on in the real estate market? Well, let's have a quick look at the stats. I'm just going to focus on what's happened in July, because year over year is not as good an example. So for Markham, there's been a fair bit of that activity. Price pressure is still happening. Prices are down 3% in July. Months of inventory, interesting, has gone up a little bit. We were at 3.1. It's now 3.8. So a little more inventory in Markham, and we will see more coming in the fall. As the fall market kicks in. Stouffville, a little bit different than Markham. Months of inventory actually went down 6.2 to 5.3. So Stouffville is hovering in that balanced market state, whereas Markham is kind of on the edge of a balanced and a seller's market. Very interesting in Stouffville. Prices actually went down about 10%. That could potentially be skewed. Please remember, Stouffville has lots of large multi-million-dollar estates that can affect the average price. So Stouffville is definitely a very, very positive buy right now for all the buyers out there. So some trends, some things to watch for that are really important. The fall market is on its way. As I mentioned, the seasonality of real estate, we're going to see more and more of that kick in. And what I mean by that is, during the 2 years where we went through the pandemic, real estate really didn't go through its kind of spring markets, its kind of little bit of a summer lull, and its fall market, it was more steady throughout. So we will see a seasonality of the marketplace. Also, other trends, we will see more inventory rollout in the fall. That will continue. Buyers, there is a ton of buyers out there, although they're hesitant. They're watching, they're waiting, they're reading the news, they are looking at the stats. So keep in mind, lots of buyers, but they are tentative. And I think we're gonna see that continue. So we will be following all these things. We'll be reporting back on them. They're all super, super important. I just want to touch upon condos a little bit because there has been some interesting things happening with the condo market. So in the 416, condo prices are actually down 3.1%. Hooray for the 905. The 905 is only down 1.3%. So we're doing way better. Markham and Stouffville condo prices have felt a little bit of downward pressure, but they're actually holding up pretty darn good. And that's it for stats. So if you love stats, you're gonna love to hear some of this stuff. And if you don't, I apologize in advance. So I'm gonna say goodbye now. We've got an amazing event coming up in August 25th, Moonlight Madness. It's happening in Stouffville. We'll have an amazing booth from 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. out in front of the RE/MAX office. We're gonna have lots of fun, amazing things going on for the kids, for the parents, etc., etc. So if you're attending the event, come and check us out. I want to wish you an amazing rest of August. Enjoy this gorgeous month. I hope we have some amazing weather for you. I hope you get some great downtime. Take care, be safe, and have fun in August until we speak in September.